Hi once again. I bought this clock about 6 years ago and never touched it ever since. So now I decided to get on with it and try to fix it and bring it back to its glory. Nice cuckoo clock. It's weights are missing and a few other items are missing. And yes, just try to make it go again. So this is the first one. Try to get the chain out of this little package and get it. That's where they keep all the chains in there so they don't get tangled up. This is the pendulum. There you are, look at that. It's piece. It's part of the fence. Now before I do anything else, very important that where you hang it, to make sure that the wall is straight and level. I use a small spirit level to guide me to see, make sure it's 100%. Otherwise, if it's a little bit off, it will run and then we'll just stop. As you can see, the chains are tangled up, untangling there. So leave that on side. So what I'm going to do now, take it off and show you what the inside, what it looks like. Actually we'll see it together because I never seen it. I haven't opened it. There you are. It's got two bellows. I think, try and see if they work. So that works. So they both work, which is good. There's the music mechanism for the dancing people. So yeah. It's alright. I thought it'd be maybe the bellows would have been damaged, but they're not. That's good. There you are. And works, begins, so we can get it back to its glory the way it was. Okay, try now to untangle the chains. Make sure nothing is out of place. That's one. That's one. That's two. And three. which is fantastic because one was missing. So I'll try to put the chain back inside the motor in there, the mechanism, and that's it. There you are, all untangled. Okay, next what I'll do with this cuckoo clock, as you can see, it's got a lot of detailed work on it. It's lovely, and it's cleaned it out, cleaned the movement. As you can see, there's dust and things like that over there. Like I said before, didn't touch it for nearly 6 years. So then I replaced the missing hooks from the chains. There's a couple missing, and get the music and Cuckoo working properly so we can all enjoy it.